Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to examine the code of conduct for public officials. The code of conduct simply refers to the best practices that public officials have to adopt and can adopt in their day-to-day operations. So the following are some of the things that public servants and public officials have to adhere to in their operations. Number one, they must conform to the constitution. Remember, in Kenya, constitution is the supreme law of the land. So definitely it is also the same constitution that empowers them to act on behalf of the many, because Kenya, we have what we call a democratic dispensation. This does not only apply to Kenya, it goes to other contexts, given that they have a democratic dispensation. Definitely they have to conform to the constitution. So in the context of Kenya, section 3 of the constitution states as follows: if any other law is inconsistent with this constitution shall prevail, and the other law shall to the extent of inconsistency be void. So any other law that is different from the constitution or contradicts the constitution is null and void. Therefore, public officials and public bodies are expected to adhere in spirit and in letter to the constitution. Secondly, they must conform to statutes. They must keep within the power they have been granted by the statutes. So 3, if any procedure is prescribed, they must follow that procedure. And when I say following procedures, I mean that they should really follow the procedure that has been laid out for them in the laws, without going against the procedure. Because if they act right but do not follow procedure, their action can still be nullified, as you will see in later videos. 4, they must uphold the rules of natural justice. The rules of natural justice, these are simply means rules which become apparent by exercise of reason, or rules which become known to man by exercise of reason. For example, you will not hurt any person without any reason, or you cannot kill a person without a reason. This is just these are laws that are common to all men by exercise of reason. So they must act within the rules of natural justice. 5, they must act within their jurisdiction. The statute that gives them power also describes the limits of those powers. So they have to act within their own jurisdiction. 6, they must act rationally. Definitely rationality exists in every thinking mind. So any action that is irrational can bring about complaints or legal redress. 7, they must act in good faith. Their conduct should be in good faith. 8, they must exercise their discretionary powers properly. Misuse of discretion will call for a judicial review process in the High Court. 9, they must act impartially. This simply means that they should not favor any side in any decision. They should only act without bias and fairly and impartially to all sides. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.